Hey, welcome back to the North Country Gentleman. This video is going to be very short, and I'm kind of excited to put it out there. This is a bit of a milestone for me. We're closing in on 50 subscribers. I know that doesn't seem like a lot, but it's exciting to me. And I want to do something to commemorate when we hit a full 100 subscribers. So, if you can pass this channel off to your friends, relatives, co-workers, children, parents, whatever, if we get three new subscribers, I will put up a video that will detail the giveaway that I have planned for hitting 100 subscribers. And I think it's pretty cool. I don't know if you all will like it, but I think it's cool. And I'm going to assume that if you are taking the time to watch my videos, you will probably like it too. So, like, subscribe, share, get three more folks to follow this channel, and I will put up a new video detailing exactly what I'm giving away. So, until then, have fun, be safe, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for joining me.